Okay, some of us are still getting confused on how to cite a website. So this is to help you how to make your citation for a website. So if you are getting information from, let's say, this article online, this is a website, AccuWeather. Some of you are just grabbing this link and putting it onto your works cited page and calling that a citation. That is not a citation. This is a URL. The citation that you want and how to get it, you need to copy this link. And again, you should have your EasyBib add-on opened on your Google Doc over here to the side. It's not a book. It's not a journal article. It is a website in which you're getting information from. And here you enter that URL. Click search. And you'll notice here is the title. We're deep, deep, deep in crisis. Here is that title of what you want. It is from the AccuWeather.com. So that is the citation that you want. You click select, click add it to bibliography, and this is the citation to that website. It adds the title of the article, the website where you got it from, and the link. It's done for you. Please do not just put a link. That is not a citation. That is just a URL link.